Hello everyone, welcome to Let's Grow with Atish. Today we are going to discuss about how we're going to assign the calendars. So, quick question. Have you ever, built a schedule and noticed that the dates doesn't seem right? So like weekends are being counted as working days and like some national holiday is being showing as a working day in your calendar. So yes, if you have faced that problem while you are done with the schedule logic and everything, we are going to discuss about that problem and we are going to assign a new calendar in your project from the scratch. So this is basically one of the fundamental topics that everything else in your schedule depends on. So let's get into it. So firstly, you can see my screen. By default, the program has the 5-day standard working calendar. But let's say you are working in Ireland and you have to incorporate those national holidays, bank holidays in your calendar. So how are we going to do it? If you see this activity design stairs, which is showing, so you can see my this activity design stairs, which is starting on 1st of June and finishing on 5th of June. But in reality, 1st of June, Monday, is a bank holiday in Ireland. So that will start in 2nd of June and will finish on 8th of June. So we have to make this activity starting from 2nd of June and finishing on 8th of June, including 5 working days. That is 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th. And Saturday and Sunday are non-working day, and 8th would be the last working day. So in total, 2nd to 8th would be 5 working days. So we're going to start how we can achieve that. So so we will click into the top enterprise click and we will see a calendar here. So we'll click to the calendar, and here you can see there are basically three types of calendars: global calendars, resource calendars, and project calendars. Global calendars is basically that is available all across the projects in your database in your company environment. Your admin may have already configured this, and the project calendar is basically for the individual project, and resource calendar is basically for the particular resource you're going to use in your project. Let's say you have a subcontractor working just 3 days for installing the floor on the pharmaceuticals fit out. So that we will assign that contractor into the particular resource type. So in reality, mostly we use the project calendar. So we're going to click on the project, and you see there is no uh, project assigned yet for this particular fit out pharma A project. So what we're going to do, we are going to click on modify, sorry, we are going to click on add, and you will see all the options available in the global calendars. We can copy one of those and implement changes as per our requirement. So let's say we'll select this standard 5 days standard working BE. We'll click. So now we're going to give the calendar a clear name. So let's say 5-day working pharma fit out A Ireland. So you have already given, I have given the 5-day working so anyone can understand that this project is working 5 days from Monday to Friday. So they can understand it very clearly. So that was the agenda putting this name. Now we're going to click on already we have created. So once the name, once we have copied from the global and we have given a name, we are going to modify this calendar. So you can categorize this as if the dark blue color is the non-working day, which is Sunday and Saturday, and the light ones are the working day when you are going to work on site. So we are going to assign a non-working day. Let's suppose you are working in Ireland. So if you go in March, you'll see 17th March as a St. Patrick Day. So you'll just click this and you'll put as a non-working day. You are, let's say, in June 1. So June 1 is basically the non-working day and it is a bank holiday in Ireland. So it would be non-working day. And you are, let's say you are working in Dubai and on 15 there is Eid. So you will click 15th of July and click as a non-working day. So this way you can assign your, or you can amend your schedule calendar on the basis of national holiday or your requirements. Also here is a total work hours day, and here you can see the detailed work hours day. Here you can change the working hours, so it is showing starting from 8 and finishing on 4. So 8 hours continuously. If you want to, let's say, take a break at 12, so you'll just click non-work and just click non-work. And so basically you're working 4 hours here and then 3 hours here. You're taking a break in between. So this is how you can amend your work hours. I'll just unclick this one for now. So so basically you understand how to change your calendar as per your project need or as per your national holiday. So after changing all the required dates, you'll just click on OK, and this is all done here. Now you'll just close this one from here. Now you have already sorted your calendar, so you're going to assign the new created calendars in your activities. So we'll just go in. So basically you have to add a calendar column. Just go here, select, and you'll see this will pop up. And here you have to just click this one and open the project calendars. And you'll see the one calendar you have created is already there. And you have either you can do a double click on this, or you have an option here to just click on the plus button at the right, and that's there. Once that's done, you can select all the activities together, and there's a short trick here. Click right button and use a fill down button, and all the activities has been assigned with the new calendar. Once you have assigned, just click F5 button to refresh. Once you have assigned, what you'll do, you'll just press F9, and you can see that now the design stairs, which was starting on 1st of June, now it is starting on 2nd June and finishing on 8th June. That was our agenda for this video, to change the calendar as per your project requirement and country's requirement, which covers your national holiday, your exception day, and everything. So that's it. You know now how to create a project calendar in P6 and set your working hours, add your non-working days, and assign it to both the project and activity. For project, you can directly go to the project tab and change from the default calendar to 5-day working pharma fit out A Ireland. So that's it. So if this video helped you in any sense, hit hit the like button and subscribe it, and let me know if you have any queries regarding this calendar, and I will definitely get back to you. Thank you everyone. Cheers.